I hear the sound of children playing, I know it's all part of God's amazing grace. And I believe there's a place called heaven. I believe in a place called Calvary. And I believe in a man whose name is Jesus. I believe that he gave his life for me. I was there the day my mama went to heaven. I held her hand as she closed her eyes to sleep, and I could feel the power of 10,000 angels take her soul away to be crowned at Jesus' feet. I believe there's a place called heaven. I believe in a place called Calvary. And I believe in a man whose name is Jesus. I believe that he gave his life for me. This is Ronnie Everso. I got up here at 5 o'clock this morning in the mood to do a devotional song by Jimmy Fortune called I Believe. I wished I had a voice like his, but I don't, but I can sure still enjoy playing his song and singing it. I'm a single man now. It's not because I wanted to be. My wife of 40 years, Georgia Everso, she died last year in February and left me a widower. And I just had a really rough time getting over her. If you knew Georgia, you would know why. She was a great person. But now, the Lord has touched my heart, took away some grief and some hard grief, hard mourning. And I'm really trying to get closer to the family that I do have. Jenny and her kids, Austin, Daniel, and the baby, Skylyn. My sisters, Wilma and Christine. I don't see Phyllis much. She's in a nursing home in Jackson County, down there in Kentucky. Anyway, I thought I'd put this on this morning. I'm playing a song in my bedroom, on my bed, with my cell phone, my tripod stand. I just thought I'd let you know, we're getting a new president tomorrow. I believe it's tomorrow. President Biden and his vice president. She's a woman. And we just need to pray for our nation, because it's going to be falling into different hands now. Be a lot of changes coming up. We just need to pray about it. Go before the Lord, put it in God's hands. all I got to say now. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, I'll see you again. God bless.